Hi, and welcome to this in-depth tutorial on Rollercoin. This tutorial is geared towards helping newer players of Rollercoin have a very good understanding of the core concepts and mechanics of the platform without having to spend a lot of time doing a lot of research. So if you're new to the game and you're thinking of how best to get started, this is the perfect video for you. Let's begin. So let's start by understanding what Rollercoin actually is. Rollercoin is essentially a video game that simulates real-world crypto mining, where you actually gain real-world cryptocurrencies which you can withdraw and use as your own when you mine them using your virtual data center on the platform. The game is a simplified version of how mining works in the real world. The core idea of Rollercoin is to allow players have fun playing games while building a mining center which compensates them with crypto rewards, which is absolutely amazing. So to mine crypto in Rollercoin, you're going to need mining power just like in the real world. Your mining power is essentially what determines how much crypto you can mine per time, or simply put, your mining rates. In the real world, your mining power is determined by how powerful your mining machines are, and these machines could cost hundreds or possibly thousands of dollars just to own. However, Rollercoin allows you to play simple games to get mining power. You can also purchase virtual mining machines on the platform, which is a lot cheaper than real miners. When buying your virtual miner, you'd also need to buy a miner rack to put your miner on. Don't worry, it works the same way in the real world. Playing games will give you a certain amount of mining power for just 24 hours. But if you get a better PC, you can increase this time up to 7 days. Virtual miners will remain active even when you are not playing the game, constantly earning you crypto. We'll talk more on these real soon in the video. When you continue to get more mining power from machines or playing games, you begin to get a bigger slice of a mining block as your reward. Think of a mining block as a massive cake that is given to all miners as rewards for their hard work. People who mine more are people who obviously have a higher mining power, so they get a larger slice of that cake. All mining blocks have a specific amount of crypto rewards that are distributed to all Rollercoin players according to their mining power. These rewards are issued to all players' virtual crypto wallets every time a mining block is calculated. This happens approximately every 10 minutes. So this means you can earn crypto every 10 minutes for mining on Rollercoin. How cool is that? Rollercoin offers a variety of crypto that can be mined, including BTC, Ethereum, Polygon, Doge, Solana, Tron, or even BNB. You can also choose to mine the Roller token, which is the official in-game currency that you use to buy miners and every other thing in the store. So let's spend a little more time talking about mining power now. For people who are not so keen on spending money on buying mining machines yet, you can get mining power by just playing games on Rollercoin. There's quite a number of games for you to try out, and they're easy and fun. Each game gives you mining power, which lasts temporarily from anywhere between 1 to 7 days, depending on your PC level. So what is a PC? A PC is simply a piece of equipment you use on Rollercoin to manage your temporary mining power. A better PC means you can hold your temporary mining power for extended periods. PCs come in different levels up to level 4. Level 1 holds mining power for 24 hours, Level 2 holds mining power for 3 days, Level 3 holds mining power for 5 days, and Level 4 holds mining power for 7 days. You can upgrade your PC when you win more games. Winning 10 games moves you from PC level 1 to level 2. Winning 20 games gets you to level 3. and winning 30 games gets you to level 4. If you're interested in taking mining a step further, you can opt to purchase mining machines, or you can get miners from events. These machines have different mining rates ranging from gigahashes to exahashes, which is the largest. The cost also goes up as the mining rates go up. You can buy both miners and racks from the Rollercoin store. The racks come with either 8 cells or 6 cells. Each cell represents an item slot. Miners that have larger mining rates will usually occupy 2 rack slots. Items in the store need to be purchased with the RLT token or the Roller token. Remember that it is the official in-game token that you use to buy items in the store. You can swap other cryptocurrencies for RLT tokens very easily by depositing these tokens on the platform. They will automatically be swapped at a rate of 1 RLT to 1 USD. Once you have your miners and your racks, you can place your racks in your mining room and the miners on the rack. There's a lot more useful and interesting things you can buy from the store. Some of them are seasonal items that are offered for a limited time, while others are always available. Items in the season store can be purchased using the Roller Season Token or RST. Here you can get exclusive cases that come with one of many different items like miners, fans, or even hash boards, which you would use to keep your data center effective. You can also get very powerful miners from here, although they are a bit pricey. The Event Pass gives you access to exclusive items, which you can only get if you have the Season Pass, which renews every 2 months. The Sale and Popular tab gives you weekly offers to limited time miners and other equipment which you can buy at a discount. The Miners tab gives you access to all the available miners on the platforms. Loot Boxes tab gives you access to loot boxes which contain one random item, and you can even get RLT tokens from it for free. You can even get skins to customize the look of your mining room, which is also very cool. Your mining room is more or less like your headquarters, where all the action takes place. All your miners, racks, fans, hash boards, and equipment you buy to set up your data center will be mounted here. Once you have some racks and miners and you're ready to set up your data center, head over to the item panel at the bottom of your mining room and simply drag and drop some racks into anywhere in the room. You can then place your miners the same way on the racks. Depending on what kind of miner you have, it could either take 1 or 2 slots of your rack. The miners in your room operate with electricity. They consume 1 bar of electricity every day, and you have 5 bars available. When all bars are depleted, the miner will stop generating power and you'd need to recharge your electricity. You can recharge your electricity by clicking the recharge button. This means you'd have to come and check in on your mining room at least once every 5 days to ensure that all your miners are operational. I'm sure you'd be wondering what the event pass at the top left is all about. Well, Rollercoin operates in seasons, which changes every 2 months. Currently, Rollercoin is in season 6, and the theme of the season is Magic Carnival. Each season has its event pass, which comes with a lot of quests where you can get exclusive rewards like miners. You need to unlock the premium event pass to have access to all the season's rewards. Completing the quest and collecting all the event pass rewards is very beneficial and can add a massive amount of mining power to your rig. The event pass has daily and weekly quests which could require you to do many things such as playing a game or beating a high score. In exchange, you get XP. The more XP you get, the higher you can level up in the event pass and the more event pass rewards you can unlock. You can earn some free RLT tokens when you complete tasks on the task wall. The task wall is a freebie section of Rollercoin that rewards players in RLT tokens for completing simple things like surveys or playing games on specific devices like Android or iPhones. It's a really good way to make some RLT tokens when you have free time, especially if your miners are fully engaged and working. In the Rollercoin marketplace, you can sell any spare miners or racks or parts that you don't need to other players. You can also check out some of the amazing stuff being sold by other players as well. You can buy racks, miners, or parts, and you have the option to set a price range for the deals you want to see. It really gives an easy experience for players to trade in-game assets, and in the future, an auction system will be coming to Rollercoin. In Rollercoin, you can combine low-level miners of the same type to form a higher-level miner. This is known as the merge. When you merge two miners, the new miner that is formed will give you more mining power, and that will increase your rewards. There are 6 levels of miner upgrades: common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, and unreal. You can also merge parts to form more powerful ones, or you can get them out of season store cases very easily. The parts come in 5 different rarities: common, uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary. To perform a merge, you need 2 identical miners, some RLT tokens, and same level parts to convert 2 low-level miners into a higher level one. So this is the end of this short tutorial on Rollercoin. I hope you've been able to grasp a firm understanding of the core concept of Rollercoin, and I wish you good luck as you start your journey with Rollercoin.